Hey, so this is how to do direct rentals for fancy birds. First, you want to make sure that you're on the Polygon Matic network and you have some Matic with you. Um, then go to fancybirds.io. If this is not connected yet, just click on Connect Wallet, connects, and sign. Now, after you've connected, if you go to Nest, you'll see all the birds that you own, and you can then rent it out directly to your scholars, right? So all you have to do is click rent out, click direct, paste the address here, and then this is the split percentage. So minimum is 40%, and then you can adjust it from there, right? So for this one, we're gonna do 50, and then if this is your first time renting out, you have to click on approve, and then pay some Matic for gas fee, and then wait a little bit, and then you can do rent out afterwards, right? So since I've already approved uh, the transaction, I'm gonna go and rent out and then pay the gas fees. Just need to wait for a little bit. Come on, bro. Let's figure it out. Okay, so that's done. Um, I don't know why this is not showing up yet, but it should uh, show up like this afterwards, and you can take it back within. So if you make a mistake, you have to wait 30 minutes until you take it back from whoever you rented it out to. And then you can go to rental dashboard and you'll see all the birds that you rented, and then you can track whether they completed the daily average, the weekly, and check-ins, right? So you can set your quota. Um, or here it shows who's completed what too. Cool. Let's see if it actually works. Yeah, so it actually rented it out, and now it's 28 minutes before I can take it back if I need to. You can also do mass rent out, but I think you can only do it for one address. So yeah, right? That's pretty easy. Uh, Thanks.